Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve not opening on Shein app. To know how to fix or how to solve not opening on Shein app, should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can go to Shein and you can click here in this page. After that you can click on first step and you can click OK. Then you enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.